Alright, welcome. Sorry for the crooked voice. I'm recording this late at night. So welcome. Let's take 49. Let's solve for 49. 49 says the energy stored in a capacitor of capacitance 10 micro F carrying a charge of 100 micro C. What is the energy stored? So we're looking for energy stored. Energy stored is simply E is equals to Q square over 2C. This is your formula to solve this. Now you don't just put 10 for capacitance or 100 for charge. No, you don't just do that because of the sign they are carrying. They are carrying a micro. They are carrying a micro. So what you do for charge, you are going to say 100 times 10 minus 6. That is for charge. For capacitor, you're going to say 10 times 10 minus 6. And this is what you are solving now. So and you square this one, multiply this one by 2, and you're good to go. Alright? That is it. Alright, let's go. Let's go to the next question. Alright, question 53. Question 53 says given three capacitors 0.3, 0.5, and 0.2, the joint capacitance when arranged to give minimum capacitance is what? So we are looking for, if we join these together, what is the littlest capacitor we're supposed to come out, or capacitance we come out with? So first of all, what is our formula? Formula is all 1 over C total is equals to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. So that should be this one now becomes 10 over 3. This one should become 2, and this one should become what? 5. Now to add all this, we have to turn them into the same denominator, 3. How do we do this? We are supposed to turn into this denominator to make sure that it remains 2. Alright? So what we'll do here is say, now follow. I'm solving this almost to the end. Follow closely. Now what we're going to do here is say 10 over 3, which is our normal, we've gotten that guy before, plus 6 over 3. 6 over 3 is the same thing as 2. 6 over 3 is the same thing as 2. Don't forget. Then plus, what will now be this 5? 5 will now be 15 over 3. Remember, we are changing them to this form so that we can add everything together. 15 over 3 is the same thing as 5. Don't forget. 6 over 3 is the same thing as 2. So let's go. So since we've gotten this in this form, then we can now substitute straight. So we can now say 3 over what now? 3 over 10 plus 6 plus 15, which will give you what? 31. So your answer now will be 3 over 31. 3 over 31 is your answer. And whatsoever you solve to get, round it off to the nearest whole number or nearest decimal place. Round whatever you get from here to your nearest decimal place, and that is your answer. Thank you for your time.